Some crow or some pigeon might have pooped on Poonam's cheek. So she is saying, whose misbehavior is that? Is it? Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from 3rd standard NCERT book. The name of the chapter is Poonam's Day Out. The chapter is from Looking Around. Let's get started. Let's read. Ma, please let me go to the school today. I have been home for last 2 days, so I'm getting bored. Who said like that? Poonam said like that. She's getting bored. Please let her go to the school today. Poonam said to her mom, and mom said like, oh, don't go to the school. You're having fever. You have still fever. So go outside and lie down on your bed. Mom replied. Mom means Ma. Indian people call mother or mom as Ma. Poonam fell asleep on the cot and suddenly something fell on her face. Poonam woke up and what she found that something sticky is there on her cheek. And she said, oh no, whose mischief is that? Mischief means behaving in a bad way, or troubling someone in a playful manner, troubling someone. So someone troubled Poonam in a playful way. मजाक कर दिया किसी ने. Okay, it is crows or it is pigeon. Okay, some crow or some pigeon might have pooped on Poonam's cheek. So she is saying, whose misbehavior is that? Is it crow or is it pigeon? It seems it's the crows. It seems that the poop is of a crow. Okay, Poonam thought like that. Poonam looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Which animals can you spot on the tree? The picture, write down their names. Squirrel I can see, pigeon I can see, monkey also I can see, ants, butterflies, cuckoo and crow and what else? Sparrow. All right, a parrot also I can see. So many animals and many birds live on trees. Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek. Some sticky was there. That poop was sticky, right? So she wiped out that by a leaf. Leaf means a part of a tree. Leaves, stems, leaves, stem, trunk, and what? Fruits, fruits and what? Flowers are the parts of a tree. So she wiped with using a leaf, but her cheek was still sticky. She has wiped that poop, but still her cheek was sticky. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. So she gone outside near the pond. Pond is a storage of water, natural storage of water. She washed her face, okay, near that pond. Which animals did Poonam see near the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. We can see buffaloes. Yes, we can say buffaloes, tortoise, and what else? The goat we can see there, and a water bird we can see there. There are water birds. The name of the water birds I would like to tell there is crane, right? Crane and heron. So these are bagula, you know. So these are those birds. So there are some animals that can fly, that can crawl, walk. So we need to name there that can fly. Who can fly? Birds. The pigeon, crow or eagle can fly, right? And crow, tortoise can crow. Animals who can crawl. I've already told tortoise, and the next animal is snail, and the another animal I would like to tell is crocodile, snail and tortoise. All right. The another animal they are talking about walk, can walk. Yes, everyone can walk, na? All birds can walk, like slowly they take their steps, na? They also walk. So the names I would like to tell: tiger, cheetah, fox, and this one elephant. We can say they can walk. Hop, who can hop? Frogs can hop, frogs, and kangaroo, and who else is there? Grasshopper. Grasshopper, they just take small jumps on what? Grass. So those insects are known as grasshopper. So they also hop, have wings. Birds have wings. So bats also have wings. Bats are also having wings. They are actually animals, but they do have wings. Next, I would like to tell a sparrow. Sparrow also having wings. And who else? The birds also having wings, which are on water. We can say seagull and also crane. They are also having wings. Some birds cannot fly, just like peacock and cock. They just can't fly at higher heights, but they also are having wings. Have feet. Animals have feet. Any animals you can give name of. Have a tail. Mouse, and who else? Elephant, tiger, right? Next, banana is what I love eating. They are telling who am I? Just you need to give name over there. Banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Okay, they are talking about monkey. Next, on the wall's webs I weave, where insects stick and I cannot leave. They are talking about spider. Next, I remain awake whole night. And go to sleep in the broad daylight. That is all. Croak, croak, croak is my sound. And in water and or on land I am found. They are talking about frog, right? Frog you can see here in the spelling. Frog spelling is also there, and you can also mark there, frog. Next, I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Okay, they are talking about snake. Next, slow and steady is my pace. I always win where there is a race. They are talking about tortoise, turtle. All right. So next, Spain. Some animals we can observe under tree, branches, on leaves, on trunk, on ground around the tree. So we can give names, right? On branches, who can be observed? Who can observe? Like some animals are observed on branches. Can we name those? Right. Let's go. Crow can be observed on the branches. Sparrow also can be observed on the branches. And another we can also observe other animals like there's eagles also can be, like at a higher stage, higher place, they make their they make their homes, right? At higher place, at the top, on a tree, at the top they make their homes, right? So we have given 3 names. On leaves, who can be seen on leaves? Ants can be seen on leaves, right? And another larvas. Larva is the first stage of butterfly, and those can be observed on leaves, because they live on the leaves, because they eat leaves, right? They are living on the leaves. So these can be seen. Larva is the first stage of butterfly. And another animal who can we also give name as caterpillar to larva. Larva is the first stage of butterfly, also we consider as caterpillar. Okay, the next insect is who lives on leaf is leaf insect. It looks like leaf. right? Have you seen leaf insect ever? On YouTube videos also you might have seen, right? So these are leaf insects. Next next thing is we need to talk about the animals who live on the trunk, like koalas. Koala also live on the trunk. Parrots also live on the trunk, and another animal, woodpecker, also live on the trunk. Around the tree, on the ground, okay, on the ground, each and every animal, cow also can be considered, sheep also can be considered, and any other uh, like cattle also can be considered, right? Animals on the ground. Around the tree, monkeys also can be seen around the tree, and lizards also can be seen around the tree. Okay, these animals. This chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Here is story of Sitama. Sitama lives in her house. Her house is ancestral house. Like her father of father, her grandfather, great grandfather. So inherently the families are living in the same home. So that is ancestral home. This home is in Guntur city.